We discovered that teachers need to know much more than they expect their students to learn, and Big Ideas develops core concepts that the book identifies as these two things called big ideas and then their related essential understandings. The essential understanding books build teachers' understanding by exploring, developing, and reflecting on ideas and connections that enable teachers to answer students' questions, correct their misconceptions, and scaffold their progress to the next level. The goal is for the series to provide a solid mathematical foundation to be a successful teacher. Specifically for Big Idea 1, what I investigated was decomposing and rearranging provide a geometric way of both seeing that a measurement formula is the right one and seeing why it is the right one. This one was really neat to explore because it really develops students' understanding deeper into why the formula works for a specific question. The other essential understanding in Big Ideas 1 was, in addition to decomposing and rearranging, shearing provides another geometric way of both seeing that a measurement formula is the right one and seeing why it is the right one. I took this big idea and went further into both my project inquiry paper and my technology presentation, where I looked at the volume of cylinders, and students really dissected what the volume consists of and then ultimately figured out what the volume formula was.